This is Bob's Snow Cone in the flea market here in the Mustang in Pinellas Park. I'm going to show you how to make a snow cone old school. Grab a cup, the measuring cup, some ice, put the ice in the cup, put the cup of ice in the Snowy 3000, and then make a snow cone. Goes like this. Customer wants cherry, so we put some cherry on it. Make sure that the bottom of the cup gets fluid, and then top of the snow cone, cover it nicely so no white is visible. That's how you make a snow cone. Customer loves it, and when it's real hot, customer survives.